What phenomenon causes the initial fall in liquid level upon heating? When heat is applied, the container expands first before the heat reaches the liquid, causing the initial level to drop. This demonstrates the thermal expansion of solids occurring before the expansion of the liquid. In which mode of heat transfer do molecules transfer energy to neighboring molecules without changing their own positions? Conduction is the transfer of heat through a solid material by direct contact between neighboring atoms or molecules. In this process, energy is passed along via vibrations and collisions without the actual migration of the particles themselves. Water turning into steam on heating is a process called? Vaporization is the phase transition where a liquid changes into a gas when heat energy is applied. This process occurs either through evaporation at the surface or boiling throughout the liquid. How is the liquid in the vessel heated? In many heating vessels, an electric current is passed through a high-resistance heating element to generate thermal energy via Joule heating. This heat is then transferred to the liquid through conduction and convection, making it an efficient method for domestic and industrial use. What is formed when iron reacts with oxygen during blast furnace heating? When iron is heated in a blast furnace, it reacts with oxygen or steam at high temperatures to form ferrosulfuric oxide, Fe3O4, also known as magnetic oxide. This reaction is a key part of the high-temperature redox processes occurring within the furnace environment. What describes the process of heat transfer in solids without the actual movement of molecules? Conduction is the process of heat transfer in solids where thermal energy is passed from molecule to molecule through vibrations. This process occurs without any actual bulk movement of the matter from one place to another. Which type of substance is essential for heat transfer through convection? Convection is the mode of heat transfer that occurs in fluids, which includes both liquids and gases, through the actual movement of matter. It relies on density differences caused by temperature gradients within the substance. What is the energy source utilized by solar cells and solar water heaters? Solar cells and solar water heaters directly harness electromagnetic radiation from the sun to generate electricity or heat. This renewable energy source is fundamental for sustainable development goals and reducing carbon footprints. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.